Hello. I'm currently building a Gauge 1 Armig for my son, and just got the chassis running on air. I acquired it as the laser cut frames and the wheels were machined on square axles from somewhere. I'm not sure where, but decided to finish it for my son. And just a quick brief word on some problems that I found. The book I'm using is the edition version 5, which has various changes in it, but I have found some that aren't in there, and it might be worth me explaining some of them. Frames are alright. Find a couple. The cylinders, I did find one problem, is the boss that fits into the rear here, that one, when it's in the back of the cylinder block, covers up the slot for the steam inlet on the rear end of the cylinder. I've heard other people mention this before, well, since I brought it up at the club, someone in the Yahoo group mentioned it. So that's one problem, in case you don't know. The crank axle, I didn't find the easiest thing to make. It's not my first engine. I built a couple in 3.5 and a couple of Gauge 1 engines, but I didn't find it an easy thing to make because it didn't sit square out to make a jig to get it square. It also mentions that it should use a 3/16 slot drill here. Well, 3/16 is 4.76, not 4.8. The other problem that comes here is that the big end on the connecting rod is also 4.8. Now, size for size won't fit in the hole, so I would advise using a 5mm slot drill if you're making the crank axle yourself, because I've had to shave my big ends down to get them to fit inside the cranks. I've also made mine of bronze because I didn't think brass was good enough. The cylinder block's out of brass, but all my big ends and eccentric straps were from bronze. I made the eccentrics out of silver steel, not cast iron, and the straps out of bronze as a single ring rather than a split one. So that's about it for now. I'm going to leave a short video of it running on air, and hope to hear comment or see comments. Thanks.